Mastering offers. Can I make your English better? Hello learners. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English language learning. Today, we'll be focusing on an essential part of conversational English: making offers using can I. So, let's dive into it. When you make an offer to someone, you're indicating your willingness to do something for them. An offer can be as simple as helping someone with their luggage, or as complex as offering a solution to a problem. A common phrase used in English to make an offer is, can I? For example, can I help you with your bags? Here, can I is used to present a polite offer to help someone. Remember, the key is to use the correct tone and expression while making your offer. Now let's switch gears and immerse ourselves into some listening exercises. These exercises will help you familiarize yourself with the use of can I in real-life dialogues. Exercise 1. Imagine you're in a restaurant and the waiter asks, "Can I take your order?" Pay attention to the way can I is used to offer service. Exercise 2. You're at a friend's house and they ask, "Can I get you a glass of water?" Here, can I is used to offer hospitality. Exercise 3. You're in a library and the librarian asks, "Can I help you find a book?" In this case, can I is used to offer assistance. As you listen to these sentences, practice them out loud. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. Role-play scenarios are an excellent way to practice what we've learned. Let's go through a few scenarios. 1. You're a salesperson at a store and a customer looks lost. Use can I to make an offer. 2. You're at home and your sibling is studying for a difficult exam. Use can I to make an offer. 3. You're a manager at an office and one of your team members is struggling with a project. Use can I to make an offer. Think about how you'd react in each scenario. Then, practice making offers using can I. And that's a wrap, learners. Making offers with can I isn't too difficult, right? Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. So, keep practicing and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Keep learning, keep growing. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, happy learning!